Welcome to our roundup of the best doorbell camera options. Whether you're looking to boost your home security, monitor deliveries, or just see who's at the door from anywhere, we've selected top-rated doorbell cameras that combine reliability, clear video quality, and smart features. We'll break down each model's key specs, like video resolution, field of view, motion detection, two-way audio, and smart home integration, to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal doorbell camera for your home. The first on the list is the Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell. The Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell combines smart functionality and convenience for everyday home security. What sets it apart is its dual camera system, one aimed at people and the other pointed at packages, ensuring complete porch coverage without blind spots. Users can enjoy 2K Full HD video enhanced by a starlight sensor, allowing color night vision that captures vivid footage even in low light. This feature alone makes it perfect for night deliveries or late-night visitors. It also includes facial, package, pet, and vehicle detection, delivering smarter alerts directly to your phone. Setup is simple and fast thanks to a tool-free adhesive installation that takes just a minute. The included Wi-Fi chime ensures alerts can be heard throughout the home. With dual-band Wi-Fi support, it connects to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks for stable performance. The removable battery pack offers up to 6 months of use on a single charge, and the doorbell supports 24/7 local recording via microSD card. Two-way audio allows users to communicate with visitors from anywhere, while motion-activated voice deterrence adds a layer of security. However, some users noted a bit of sluggishness in receiving alerts, which could be a drawback for those wanting instant notifications. Overall, the Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell stands out for its feature-rich security, smart detection, and excellent video clarity. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking advanced protection and convenience at a competitive price. At number 2, we have the Blink Video Doorbell, a budget-friendly option that lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere using your phone. With an ultra-wide 150 degrees head-to-toe field of view, it allows users to clearly see guests and packages from top to bottom. Its 2.5K video resolution ensures sharp footage, while infrared night vision maintains visibility in low light. The two-way audio lets users communicate directly through the Blink app, making it easier to manage deliveries or interact with visitors remotely. Designed for flexibility, it can be installed wire-free or connected to existing doorbell wiring in minutes. A standout feature is its impressive 2-year battery life powered by 3 AA lithium batteries supported by the Blink Sync module core. This module not only extends battery life, but also acts as a hub for up to 10 Blink devices. The doorbell seamlessly integrates with Amazon Alexa, enabling voice control and real-time alerts. With the included 30-day free Blink subscription plan trial, users gain access to features like person detection, Blink moments, and cloud storage, making it easy to review and share footage. If you're okay with cloud storage, the $3 per month Blink plan lets you store 60 days of video. Overall, the Blink Video Doorbell offers excellent value, reliable performance, and essential smart features. Its simple setup, strong battery life, and intelligent alerts make it a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their front door security. At number 3, we have the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K enhances home security with a sleek design, instant alerts, seamless integration, and real-time video. Designed to enhance home security, this sleek smart doorbell offers a sharp 2K resolution and a wide 180 degrees field of view for clear, real-time monitoring at your doorstep. It's built for both indoor and outdoor use with IP65 weather resistance, ensuring it can handle rain, heat, or cold. Thanks to its unique 1:1 aspect ratio, it provides full head-to-toe video coverage, allowing users to monitor packages or visitors completely. Real-time notifications, a built-in spotlight, and motion detection add to its effectiveness as a home surveillance tool. One of its standout features is two-way audio, enabling users to speak to visitors directly or deter suspicious activity remotely. The Arlo app allows for live streaming and remote control, with additional features such as an integrated siren and infrared night vision for enhanced night monitoring. With dual power options, battery or hardwiring, users have flexibility based on their setup. The package includes useful accessories like mounting plates, a USB-C charger, and more. It also works with Arlo smart hubs and popular smart home systems. However, to store and access past footage, users must subscribe to the Arlo Secure plan. Without it, recorded video is not saved. Overall, this video doorbell is a smart investment for anyone seeking reliable, high-quality front door security. At number 4, we have the Google Nest Doorbell. The Google Nest Doorbell is a smart, sleek, and highly capable video doorbell designed for any home. It offers intelligent alerts without a subscription, recognizing people, packages, animals, and vehicles through the Google Home app. The built-in 1.3 megapixel sensor delivers clear HD video with HDR, while the 3:4 vertical aspect ratio ensures you can see visitors from head to toe and monitor packages left at your doorstep. Whether it's day or night, the camera uses powerful infrared LEDs to provide excellent night vision. It also stores up to 1 hour of event history locally during power or Wi-Fi outages, keeping you informed at all times. Installation is flexible and straightforward. The Nest Doorbell can be mounted wire-free using its rechargeable 6-amp-hour lithium-ion battery or hardwired to your existing Chime system using the included connector. It comes with a locking mount and an adjustable wedge for optimal viewing angles. The high-quality speaker and microphone allow for real-time two-way audio with noise cancellation. You can respond using live voice or pre-recorded messages via the Google Home app. The doorbell also works seamlessly with compatible Google Nest or Amazon Smart displays and speakers for alerts and video streaming. Overall, the Google Nest Doorbell combines smart features, intelligent alerts, and versatile installation, making it an ideal solution for enhancing your home security effortlessly. Coming up next, we have the Eufy Video Doorbell E340. The Eufy Video Doorbell E340 is a stylish and dependable smart doorbell that keeps you connected, aware, and in control of your home's entrance. With dual cameras, it offers complete visual coverage, one front-facing lens for people, and a downward-facing lens to view packages or activity on the ground. This dual setup ensures nothing goes unseen. The device records in stunning 2K resolution, delivering detailed visuals. It also features color night vision powered by an innovative dual light system, offering up to 16 feet of clear visibility even in total darkness. Instant notifications and two-way audio make it easy to see, speak, and respond to visitors in real time. Installation is flexible. Users can choose between battery-powered and wired mode. Even in wired mode, the battery must remain installed, where it's charged continuously for uninterrupted service. A single battery charge lasts up to 6 months, and charging takes just 5 hours. The E340 supports voice assistants like Alexa and Google Voice, and pairs with Homebase or compatible chimes. 6 customizable quick replies save time, while local storage with 8 GB built-in memory allows for up to 60 days of event-based recordings. The IP65 rating ensures all-weather durability. A minor drawback is that the built-in 8 GB local storage can't be expanded, as there's no memory card slot. If you want to store beyond this, you'll need to buy a home base like S380, which adds extra costs. This limits users who want to keep a longer video history. Overall, the Video Doorbell E340 is a strong, subscription-free option loaded with advanced features, perfect for anyone wanting convenient, high-tech home security. The last one on our list is the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro redefines front door awareness with a sleek design, smart connectivity, and always-on convenience. No wires, just peace of mind. Designed for serious home monitoring, it boasts a 1536p HD plus head-to-toe video that provides a full vertical view of visitors and packages. The 3D motion detection feature, powered by radar, enables precise movement tracking with customizable bird's eye zones, showing you exactly where motion occurred and how someone approached your door. This added perspective helps deliver pro-level awareness and control right from your phone. The doorbell's low-light sight and color night vision ensure crystal-clear visibility from dusk to dawn, reducing glare and enhancing clarity. Ring has truly pushed boundaries with its imaging system. Features like any light sight and zonal infrared LEDs deliver perfectly balanced images in harsh or low lighting. HDR processing and the Clarity Engine work behind the scenes to provide rich detail and true-to-life colors. Combined with exact view lenses and high-efficiency compression, the result is edge-to-edge clarity every time. The doorbell is powered by a quick-release battery pack, allowing easy recharging and continuous uptime. It also connects seamlessly to Alexa devices